is what I've done on this Monday morning. 31 minutes, 32 seconds at level 7, 276 calories. I probably could have done better, but little Cooper Poo decided it was time to play at about 3:30 this morning. So I'm pretty tired, but the girls have school, so I'm gonna go wake them up now. Good morning, my beloved babies. Good morning. Ava, you ready for me to play Havana? Yeah, I'll help you get out of bed. Okay, here it comes. So I've got the girls up and going. It was a little bit of a rough start because I had a very hard time calming them down last night. There was a lot of playing going on, reading the 2016 Guinness Book of World Records. But it is now time to get them to Y Care so I can get on to work. But before I do that, I wanted to show y'all what somebody at my weight looks like in clothes. In fact, my pants are a size 12, which I think has contributed to why I did not know that I was 233 pounds. Is because I'm still in a size 12 pants. I'm gonna go weigh myself before I leave for work so you can see, so we can see if I am still 233, and I know it's just a day later since I'm vlogging daily right now, but we can both find out together if there's any change.
4?
We're at Y Care. Okay, ladies, let's get inside. Oh, we have a fight going on? Yeah, Ava's wearing the same clothes from yesterday. That's right. Let's all get inside. Let's go.
She's not giving it to me.
It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. So this is what all the fuss was over. The whole argument, bad attitudes, squishies. So I'm still wondering how my weight was up a pound because I haven't, even Ava yelled, "You haven't even eaten anything." And it's true. I had only had a few pistachios for breakfast, but I did drink a ton of water. So I'm not trying to play the whole, oh, it must be water weight thing, but I mean, it legitimately could be water weight this morning since I had felt really dehydrated after my workout and I drank a ton. So maybe that. We'll see tomorrow. So I made it to work safely and I'm gonna go in and get this day started, but I have some great news. We get to pick up Adam in 2 nights. So I am very excited for that. If you have any great news this week, feel free to share it in the comments below. I'm gonna go in and get this work day started. I'm out of work and I'm heading to go get the girls. Ava, get off the toilet. Where'd you even find that thing?
Excuse me. I found it.
Come on, get off that thing, come on.
Somebody was peeking through the window.
Yeah, they're probably like, why is a kid sitting on our toilet on the curb?
Yeah, we're gonna do my pole dog. Yeah.
I'm home from work. I have the kids. We went to pick up some supplies because we have to do Addie's Star of the Week poster that's due tomorrow. We have a lot of fun stuff that we're gonna get to choose from.
Like this is
We're
red.
putting this border on around it. Ava, you like that?
Oh, I thought that said smiles.
No, it
says smile. Oh yeah.
Oh no. Addie, you're going through pictures?
Yeah, we just found these on the ground and it's good vibes.
So you're picking them up for me?
Oh, I know who
Thanks.
she is.
Thanks for picking them up for me.
So these are pretty much from Ada's birthday.
Coming right along.
Yep.
Ava, are you doing the golden dots around the other D?
Yep.
Or at least the side of it?
Mhm.
Okay.
Mommy, I'm just gonna make it like hair.
Like hair?
Like hair.
Oh, okay.
So whenever I put that out, we'll just be some hair with that.
It'll just be somewhere for that.
So now I gotta go to the swing of things. 8th grade. Where's the
Hashtag
eye? Well, Abe, what are you doing to my picture?
It's dry, so.
So let me just get the glue. Who has the glue? Shout out to the glue.
Shout out to the glue.
Glue.
Tell me if it shouts back.
Glue. Yeah.
So I'd like everyone to meet Addi, our in-house hoarder. And her hoarding needs go far beyond keeping toys and clothes and baby things that no longer apply to her. They also go to her Star of the Week poster, which she will not cease putting things on, applying things. She feels the need to put stickers all over it now. And Ava's wearing gloves like a creeper, like she's gonna murder us in a second, which she might. When you put 3 women on a job like this and we all have different ideas, yep, all it really matters is what Addi thinks. A good example of why I'm trying to lose weight is that this was me at the beginning of 2017. Yes, before I had put on extra poundage.
You look down skinny though. With your neck, yeah, she cut her neck.
She cut her neck?
You cut her neck.
That's an odd thing to say.
You cut your neck into the picture. Like the picture is only your neck. Like 0 level, 0.